First half of the year has been amazing for Akamai and for over-the-top in general. Earlier this year we saw the Sochi Olympics and we hit all new peak traffic records on our platform. Viewers were really happy and we had 25 customers who we were streaming for. Then we got to the World Cup. We had actually 55 different customers that we were delivering over the top for. And in fact, we doubled the peak traffic level that we saw just a few months earlier for Sochi. So it's been a really dramatic year for us. And it's really proven the strength of our platform, the capacity and scale of the intelligent platform that we have at Akamai. If we think about where we're going now, of course we still have the challenges of scalability and capacity and how do we keep up with the demand that continues to grow and all the different devices and the ways people are watching. So one of the things we're focused on here at this IBC is workflow and the fact that Akamai for delivery, but a lot of people don't know that we actually have storage that really complements delivery. It adds reliability, it adds performance, and we also have workflow capabilities. Things like transcoding and packaging on the fly so that you can convert the video as it's being delivered to the different devices in the formats that they need. These are things that Akamai has been doing for a bit, but I think people are maybe not so aware of it. And so we're trying to bring that message to the people here, especially as it applies to the new MPEG dash format and the fact that we support video on demand and live dash workflows. And then if we think about going towards the future, we know that the demands of the audiences are going to continue to increase, expecting broadcast levels of quality. They expect that when they pick up any particular device to watch on, whether it's on their TV, their tablet, or their smartphone, they're going to hit play and they expect it to start. They expect it to look good and they don't want it to stop at all. That's a really big challenge, and it's one of the grand challenges that Akamai's taken on to solve over time. One of the things that we're talking about here is innovation specifically to address that issue. It's our media client technology. What we're doing is we're creating software that can actually be deployed in the endpoints, in the user devices themselves. And that software can communicate in a way with our network in a very intelligent fashion to improve throughput, to improve the quality of experience. There are various technologies in that client software, whether it's to simply enhance the point-to-point connectivity and improve throughput, add multicast, or add other technologies that we can apply towards problems in different ways and solve the scalability and capacity issues that we face for the future. So, in a nutshell, what we're really here to talk about is how do we connect the content that audiences want to the audience in the highest possible quality. That's what we're focused on, and that's what we're going to continue innovating for in the future. So we see really three big challenges in online video delivery. The first one is an increasing expectation of quality. Audiences really don't care whether they're watching on a television or whether they're watching on a smartphone. They do expect the quality to look really good. And what we know is that quality means more bits, right? Higher throughput all the time is the solution to make that quality better. In addition to other technologies like compression, but for Akamai, it's all about being able to deliver the content as quickly as possible. The second big challenge is scale. What we're seeing is audiences are getting larger, more people are watching online, but we also see these flash crowds, right? The viral demand for content. For example, with the World Cup, we saw millions of people come in very quickly, all at one time, to watch single games. We hit peak traffic levels of almost 7 terabits per second, which is just incredible, especially compared to the Sochi Olympics a few months ago, in which it was only 3.5 terabits per second. So we doubled in a matter of a few months. That's an incredible amount of capacity. It's an incredible amount of scale that's needed to be able to address those demands. And the third piece is complexity. No longer is there just one box like a television and all of the content that goes to all the televisions looks the same. Content now must be formatted for the different devices. Smartphones with different size screens. People who are watching over LTE networks or 3G networks or optical fiber connections. There is no one-size-fits-all solution anymore. And so the only way to address that is to get the content prepared for all those devices. That's hard. It's a very complicated problem, and it's something that Akamai is really focused on simplifying for broadcasters all over the world. What Akamai is really focused on, we're focusing on connecting content to online audiences at the highest quality possible. It means a lot of things to us, but at the end of the day, it's really about the quality of experience. If this industry is going to drive forward, if we're going to continue to grow, it's really got to be based on high quality. And quality means a lot of things. It means great bit rates. It means the quality of the video you watch is fantastic. It means the video doesn't stop. But it also means things like 100% uptime. The networks have to stay up. And that's what we're focused on. Everything that we do, every feature that we add, it starts with how will the quality of this be? And as long as we're meeting the quality standards that we set for ourselves, then that's what we're going to execute to.